Hey traders, today is Monday, November 27th, 2023. In this video, I'm going to do a review of the trade that I placed today on NQ Nasdaq futures. I went long here and I closed out the position here. I went long because on both NQ and ES, NQ today's candle, it took out yesterday's low and also the previous day's low. The same thing with ES. ES took out yesterday's low, meaning Friday's low, and it also tested about 50% of this bear bar, which is on order block. And on the 15-minute chart of ES, I saw that it was finding support at this yellow box. This yellow box is the range of this bull candle and this swing low. Once price breaks above it, usually this bull candle becomes support. It was support here and it was support here and here. So I was bullish on the day. I was looking to go long, and on NQ I liked that where I went long was the second attempt that the bulls made to push it higher. The first attempt was above 2 once this candle traded above this candle, and then once it made a new 5-minute low and then a new 5-minute high, and there were 1, 2, 3, 2 strong consecutive bull candles. Once 7 traded one tick above 6, I was trying to get long and I chased it and got long. I closed out the position here because usually at around bar 40 there is some type of midday reversal, and I just wanted to lock in the profit. From here to right here was about 50 points, so I was happy with my 50 points for the day. And this concludes the review for today. I didn't post videos last week because I was pretty tied up with the preparing for the Thanksgiving holiday, and I had a few personal things going on, but I will continue to post these trading recaps. If you took any trades on NQ or ES, feel free to comment in the comment section and I will be sure to respond. See you guys on the next video. Peace.